You know, the further up you go in an organization, the more people you have telling you how great you are because they know you have an effect on how much money they make. Okay? So it is easy to get into a yes man world where all anyone is telling you is, oh, you're wonderful, oh, you're great, oh, that was wonderful, or whatever. And in life, you got to avoid letting all of that noise, because that's noise too. Just like criticism is noise, that's noise too. So as a leader, don't always listen to the critics throwing rocks at you when you make a bad decision, but also as a leader, don't listen to all the sunshine pumpers who are telling you how great you are. My lesson in life is you're usually somewhere between those two extremes. You need to be honest with yourself, and you need to be willing to change and make adjustments.